Hey everyone. Okay, so I have to come up to YouTube to do this. I was at Atlanta Balloon Museum yesterday. Excited to go in, excited coming out. But then when I thought about it, what I saw again, I have to come and do this. And I hope somebody will hear this and somebody will take note. Yes, there was good, but also there was bad. And when we talk about the good, we should be also be bold enough to talk about the bad. So what was the bad at it for me? The bad for me is the two men. The right, I think after the first exhibition, this next exhibition was there was two men. When you come and you look up, those two men are on the ceiling looking down at you with their privates. It was naked to men. I do not think that is acceptable because that is supposed to be a family. It's supposed to be a family place where you bring your family. Young children are not supposed to be exposed to something like that. You might be wondering, oh, what's the big deal? Yeah, there's a big deal to it. You don't expose young children to that. And I think somebody should look at it and somebody should make some noise. And like I'm making my noise right here, somebody should make some noise. It is very unacceptable. It is not healthy that in a public place where children are coming, where it's actually advertised for children, a family place, because the tickets are for family, adults, whatever. If you're going to make it adult show, then don't remove the children, remove the family there. But when it's a place that is open to children to come, I do not think our children should be exposed to something like that. And I think there's another exhibition where there was a naked child on a chair or something. Yeah, I can remember, but that also was and is unacceptable. So Atlanta Balloon Museum, please take note. And parents out there, if it's possible, do not take your children there. Alrighty, thank you. And that'll be all for now. Okay.